What's good, guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today is another X5 video for you guys, and we're going to be installing these forged carbon mirror covers with the M-Wing. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so this is how you guys remove the factory mirrors.
Let's figure out how we do.
I think
it's just this plastic part right here.
Yeah, just some tabs. Oh, you know this car came with the 360 camera? Like, there's a camera at the bottom.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I was so shocked, bro. Like, I put it in reverse today and it has cameras under the mirrors.
Bro, everything in this car is just a fucking mission, dude. It's actually on there pretty tight.
That shit's been on there since the car was built in Germany.
Dead ass.
Hitler put them on himself.
Oh my god. Dude, it's literally unclipped.
Well, you got one clip out.
Yeah, one. It's the same thing as the E90, though.
Yeah, it's like one big clip in the middle. Alright, if we break the cover, we break the cover. It's getting replaced either way. There we go. Should sound like it got arthritis.
Okay.
There we go. And will he finish before the GoPro dies? Oh, he will.
Yes, sir.
And there we go. The mirror cover is removed.
Finesse.
And pretty much the new cover is just a direct replacement, so you guys just snap it on. Man, that shit looks tough.
Tough. Figured out how to fucking put it on. Where does this go?
For the one,
over here.
the one that's right there, yeah.
So it's actually only 4 clips.
Yep.
There we
There
go.
you go. One shot. Damn, that was tough.
Just have to look at it.
Damn, that looks good, bro.
It looks good with the color.
Yeah.
Very good.
I'll get some better shots for it in the daytime of you guys, but as you can see, it's a really simple install, and you just repeat the same shit on the other side. Alright guys, so I pulled up to the gas station so you guys could get a better view of these mirror caps. But yeah, the forged carbon looks sick and it contrasts the black really well. Let me back up a little bit so you guys could get a better view. But yeah, it makes the car look super aggressive. I also swapped out the grills for some gloss black ones. I'm not going to make a video on that just because it's like really easy. All you literally do is pull out the grills and put in the new ones. But yeah. And if you guys want any of these parts, they'll be on my website. I'll link my Shopify in the description. Discount code YouTube10 for you guys. And yeah, you can get all these parts for your X5 on my website.